I always used to teach from this point of view. It's 5 o'clock on a Friday afternoon and you want to go home. And your boss comes in and goes, I think I want to change that. Can you make all the blue ones just a little more turquoise? Can you make all the red ones a little more pink? What have you done to make your project so you can make those changes with one dial, with one slider, with one tweak?
I recently got to speak to the legendary Chris and Trish Meyer. They literally wrote the book on After Effects, having beta tested the original. Right before we hung up, Trish dropped a workflow hack so brilliant yet so simple, and it's going to change how you use adjustment layers. We've all been there. You have a color grade or film grain on an adjustment layer, and you have to manually copy and paste it across 10 different compositions. If you want to tweak it later, or more likely, someone else asks you to change the red to something orange, then you're stuck changing it 10 times. Trish's fix?
I would nest that pre-comp into a whole bunch of comps, turn on Continuously Rasterize, which applied that filter from the first comp into all the other comps I applied.
You nested it and made it an adjustment layer.
An adjustment layer. No, you don't make an adjustment. You just continuously rasterize it. By doing that, it applies things like stencils and silhouettes and adjustment layers. They get applied. When you continuously rasterize, it's as if that layer is never rendered in the pre-comp. It's as if that layer is in this comp.
In this example, I have 5 compositions. While different, they're all using the same color scheme. To control the colors, I have an adjustment layer with the CC toner effect, and I'm using the Pentone setting. And all the compositions are actually grayscale, so I can use the luminosity to drive the color choices. But if I want to change it up, it means copying the CC toner effects from one composition to another. With 5 that's not so bad, but imagine I'd created 5 copies of each of these, and there were tweaks to the layouts for each one, so I'd have 25 comps to update. Or technically 24. But with Trish's tip, all I need to do is convert the adjustment layer into a pre-comp by right-clicking on the layer and choosing Pre-Compose, then Move All Attributes. That immediately removes the adjustment layer's effects from the comp, but by clicking Collapse Transformations, they can come back. And if I add the same pre-comp to each of my other comps, which I only have to do once, I can then change the color scheme and all the comps update together. One master pre-comp, 0 tedious copy pasting. And that's why Trish Meyer is a legend. If you want to hear more about the early days of After Effects, check out my VFX history video. I break down how a tiny team of 4 founders built the software that changed Hollywood. So subscribe?